Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK video update. We've met this 150,000, 160,000 level, and yes, to me, this video, I'm just going to say that I want to give you a very big warning at the moment. And yes, some people are saying that, you know what, some things didn't play out and this and that, even though I've been talking about how this market is going to behave in the future, right? So at the moment we had this pattern right here. This was where the main problem really happened. So you're looking for a breakdown, which was a fake out, and then you pretty much went back for the retest, and you pretty much passed the retest as well. Okay, and then from there you literally went to the upside. I actually gave you a stop loss up at 10,000 or 111,000. So you took out that one and you moved up here, and I told you very clearly, if this one happens, then you're looking for 150. And I did expect for a long time that, you know, this retest may happen. The problem is that I can never be so sure that it's going to go up for a retest or not. Okay, but this time at least we have our answer that it actually did went up for the retest. Simple as that. Now, to me, what I see is a very big drop coming, and that is going to be almost we're talking about a 72% drop. That's what I see. It may bother a lot of people, but that's what I see. Okay, that's what the pattern are suggesting, and I've talked about it before. Your left shoulder lies there, your head is lying here, and you have your right shoulder. To me, that's very clear head and shoulders, and this is an ascending neckline, by the way, and you broke to the downside, you went back for the retest, and from here, unfortunately, you are making some negative candles, and that is a bearish harami candle pattern, right? So you do have the green and the red right there. So there is a chance where you can actually just pump to take the stop loss away, or maybe do something like you're going to the downside, pump back up, take the stop loss, and then finally drop to the downside. If I show you on when you zoom out, so it could be something like this. You go back up once again, pump again to 168,000, take the stop loss away, and then finally try to drop all the way down here, because I don't think the first retest is always going to be a good idea. So maybe the second retest can happen, but again, no guarantees for that. This may actually be the place where you literally start to fall down once again. So in the next coming few days, I'm not going to trade Pepe unless right, unless you really don't come above 193,000. This to me is the place of invalidation. So if you start to come above here and take 169 and probably you come above 200,000, to me this is going to be absolutely positive. Now, as long as you're not going to break 190, that to me here looks like a very big dangerous and an opportunity for the market to actually drop down. And again, I've always been telling you, Bitcoin is in an alarming situation. A lot of people are saying ETF is getting approved and this and that, but I think this is the moment where that dialogue comes in. You know, buy the rumor and sell the news. So basically, the news of ETF, I don't know if it's going to be approved. And by the way, the market never really goes crazy before halving. The market actually goes down before halving. After halving, a few months later, the market actually starts to move up, historically speaking. So I'm cautious. I'm not trading. I'm not touching anything, let alone bonk. I'm not touching the whole crypto. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.